Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here with a box opening. Another Radley product. We have the original skill saw, or skill-like saw, circular saw I guess we'll call it. But here we have a quarter sheet palm sander, 2.2 amped, quarter sheet, 3-year warranty. We got our cat Fergus of 5 Alberta Cats here. He's gonna make sure that it's adequately cleaned by some sort of cat. So we're gonna unbox it. So we're just gonna go ahead and open the, do you wanna do it? Switch up people here. So what's in this thing? What are you getting when you buy a Radley palm sander? Instruction booklets and warning. Don't return to store probably.
I would think so.
Oh, a base plate for something. Not sure yet.
Sandpaper.
And some sandpaper with the little holes in it. Hopefully we can use a standard sheet. Yep. And then the unit itself.
Looks like it. It's got
Fergus, you are too big to fit in that box. Oh, is this a plastic?
Dust catcher.
So not a bag that'll...
Nope, it's just got a little plastic.
That's kind of cool.
Can't see.
Yeah, you're fine.
And then this is the sheet. And
I see, so you can, yep.
It does have clips. That's why I bought this one, is because I wanted to be able to use
So I know what that base is for
regular
then.
sandpaper.
Bigger bases? Or,
Oh, it's probably...
you know, like
fits
this?
on it.
Like, is it for corners though, or I'm wondering? Well, no, it's not for its home, because like here's some sandpaper that got holes in it that fit into this.
I don't know. We'd have to read the instruction manual.
And so I don't like to read. I guess that's an unboxing for you guys. We're gonna actually do a review and how to run it later, but we actually bought it for a project car that we're doing on the other channel, Turbo 231. Got a 1987 Pontiac Fiero that's right there. We gotta do some sanding on, so we're gonna use this as a way to get the clear coat off it. But
It is a sandpaper hole punch.
nice. Okay.
So if you bought regular sandpaper that didn't have the holes in it to fit on the thing for the dust, those probably go to the dust catcher.
Or something.
So then
We'll let
would
you know
punch.
more later, but yeah, that's a cool thing. Okay guys, if you have any questions, ask them, but yeah, we'll plug it in and run it for you a little bit later.